Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Welcome to a new vlog today. Lifestyles vary and different people spend their days differently. Best finding and adopting the right daily routine will re-energize you and help you regain wasted time. Your mind and body will thank you for the decreased anxiety and extra care you have given it. And so let's get into our daily chores and the full day of cooking and cleaning part. Today I'm gonna show you how I'll do it. Usually I'll wake up around 7:30, 8 like that. So today also same way, I just woke up by 7:30 and just fresh up myself, and you know what I'll do just to prepare my energy drink, that is green tea. This is a milk for my son. I'm just preparing. Once I finish my green tea, I started preparing for the breakfast. That is rava dosa I'm preparing here, and this recipe, it's already there in our channel. Please go ahead and watch, don't miss it. Very simple and very healthy breakfast. Once I'm done with my breakfast, I started my daily chores. That is, I told you there is a lot of household chores today, so let's begin. For that we need a lot of motivation, right? So come on, let's do. In that bowl I just added 1 cup of sanitizer and 1 cup of Dettol and 1 cup of Lysol I just added, and just wiping my sofa. This I'll do a weekly once, so that is what I'm doing it here. And cup means just a cap, which will use it for the Lysol cap. The same cap I use it. 1 cap of Lysol, 1 cap of Dettol and 1 cap of sanitizer I just added, and wiping all the doors handles and fridge handle and even the kitchen handles, everything I start wiping it weekly once. This is the compulsory routine which I will definitely do it. Next is my laundry time, because usually I'll do in the morning, but here as we had lot of work, so today I'm just, after cleaning all the daily chores, just after finishing, I just adding my clothes to the washing machine added and just on now. And the next is the vessel part, which I'm just adding to the dishwasher, so automatically both the works will be done at a time. Since it been a 15 days to go visit my garden, which is vegetable garden, really keeping our garden vegetable plants healthy and growing at a steady rate is how to have a high yielding and delicious vegetable garden. So here it is, this stands also I've already given the review of this. This is really good to grow indoor plants, and even outdoor if you want you can keep, but it is for indoor plants. So I really love that plants, and just enter to my garden to have a look. I really enjoy look at the ladyfinger, how the plant, how it is growing. I was so happy to see these plants. And one side my laundry and the vessels are washing, and the other side I just came to see my garden, how it is growing. And this every day I won't do it, but today I wanted to have this garden day, so just enter the garden. And all I've just seen green chilies, even that tomatoes are growing, and still it is in a growing stage. I really love to watch the garden, as I told you in the many videos. Guys, if you have not watched my beginning videos of my garden, please go ahead and watch. And that time and now it is lot of difference. The beans harvesting is almost over. Now we're gonna planning for something else. And this is the pomegranate plant, guys. Look how beautiful it is to see. Oh, wow, I really love to watch all this. And this is my baby plants, which is newly added to my family, which is it is looking very lovely. And after finishing all that watering and watching the garden, just came to my kitchen and started cooking for the lunch. In lunch, my mother-in-law is helping to cut the tapioca to prepare fry. Actually, the way we are cutting this recipe I have not yet posted in this video, so definitely in future I'll definitely post this video how to prepare. This is very healthy recipe and very tasty also. You can have this with rice or even as it is without any rice or anything. Just add up to your bowl and just have it as a snack also, you can do it. But it is a very healthy recipe, guys. Please prepare if you really get this type of tapioca. So this is how I prepared my lunch to have. And once I prepared lunch, you know right what I'll do, just cleaning my kitchen. That is really a regular basis I'll do it. I'll not keep any work pending for tomorrow. Definitely I'll do it before one day or before overnight only. If whatever the time it might be, I'll finish my work and then only I'll go for sleep. And I started cleaning my kitchen. Once I done with my kitchen cleaning, then I'll just get ready for the day to do my daily puja. So for that, today there is special puja I'm gonna do to have a very good luck or good sign towards our house or for our family. To we really pray God to have a very good health and energy to give us a good life to us. So today, just after cleaning my kitchen, I'm just washing my hands. After washing, just I'll go and get ready for the day. Then I'll start doing the puja. That is what the puja special is today. What I'm gonna do is I've just taken the clay pot, which is a very small which I have taken to light the lamp. This is calotropis. I've just used those leaves to light the lamp here. And this puja, it is really good for our family if we do, but only in the particular day, not whenever we want. That particular day I've already done it. That I've recorded and just added to this particular video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed with my daily chores as well as cleaning and cooking part and even the puja part. I really love to do puja every day to have a very peaceful mind, and this will really give me a lot of energy and energy boosting and a positive mind will be having. So maybe different people have different thoughts about the puja, but I love to do puja, guys. After my puja, I started doing my office work. That is, I am a working mother, which definitely I do upload a few videos in YouTube. So that is the reason I have to go ahead and work for that, and editing part I have to do. And meanwhile, we just bought the fruit. So I'm just arranging in the particular place where it is easy to grab. And guys, I hope you guys have really enjoyed watching this video, and if you really enjoyed, you know what to do. Please subscribe, share and like this video. Let's catch up with the new video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.